Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best electric floor jack is probably one of the most convenient tools for any car owner or mechanic. This video will dive deep into the world of electric floor jacks, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can revolutionize your vehicle maintenance. We'll cover everything from ease of use and safety features to the time-saving advantages they offer over traditional jacks. Number 5. ROGTZ 5-ton electric car jack kit. This electric car jack boasts a 5.0 T11100 lb weight capacity, perfect for various vehicles. It utilizes a 12V power outlet and features a low-pressure rod, making it suitable for sports cars. The double motor ensures efficient and independent operation. The jack's lifting range spans from 5.9 to 17.7 inches, with an automatic stop feature at the height limit. This allows you to lift your car just enough to change a tire safely and efficiently. This versatile tool functions as a car jack, an air pump, and an LED flashlight. The intuitive panel and simple buttons make it easy to use. The pressure gauge allows you to monitor inflation pressure. The kit includes an electric car jack, safety hammer, and more. It's portable and easy to use. Remember to choose a stable position on your car for optimal support. Always use the electric car jack on flat, firm ground. If you encounter any issues, contact us for assistance. The machine is designed with safety in mind, stopping when it reaches its height limit. It's an indispensable tool for roadside emergencies. What we like. This jack boasts a robust 5.0 T capacity, making it suitable for various vehicles. It also functions as an air pump and LED flashlight, offering multiple solutions. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need for roadside emergencies, this is a great choice. What people say. With a 5-ton capacity, it handles sedans, SUVs, and trucks with ease, reaching its maximum height in under a minute. One of its standout features is its stability. Thanks to a well-built base and a strong hydraulic system, it provides a secure lift without wobbling or shifting. The included impact wrench and air compressor add versatility, making it an all-in-one emergency tool for tire changes. Number 4. STANDTALL 3-ton electric car jack. This electric car jack handles loads under 3 tons with ease, lifting from 5.5 to 16.5 inches. Specific jacking heads provide stability for both sedans and SUVs. The base and reinforced screws enhance stability and prevent twisting. It offers 2 power options, a 12V car cigarette lighter and the car battery. Ensure correct polarity when connecting the cable to avoid issues. This dual system provides an extra layer of safety. As a roadside emergency tool, its motor reaches maximum height in about 2 minutes. 2 switches control the lifting, eliminating manual labor. It allows anyone to quickly respond in emergencies, saving time. Equipped with LED lights and a waterproof design, it's suitable for changing tires in the rain. It comes in a portable toolbox with all accessories. The red triangle serves as a warning sign. Always use it on flat, solid ground, and avoid slopes. Its self-locking structure prevents sudden drops, ensuring safety. The internal circuit breaker and fuses provide overload protection, making your travel worry-free. What we like. This jack prioritizes stability and security with its reinforced design and dual power options. It lifts your car in about 2 minutes, saving you time and effort. If you value safety and efficiency, especially during unexpected situations, this jack is a perfect fit. What people say. Works very well and it is inherently very stable. It worked well. It picks up my SUV well. Saves me time and effort from jacking the car up manually. The up and down power switch is useful for aligning the wheel with the bolts with little physical effort. Number 3. E-HEELP 5-ton electric car jack kit. Introducing the E-HEELP electric car jack. This powerful hydraulic jack can lift vehicles up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes. It's designed to make lifting your car easier than ever. This car jack offers 2 power options, a 12V DC socket or a car cigarette lighter. It's compatible with most vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. You can even use it for motorcycles and other heavy items. Never worry about a flat tire again with the built-in tire inflator. It includes a pressure display, so you can monitor the pressure as you inflate. This feature makes changing tires a breeze. Whether you're at home, on a road trip, or in an emergency, this portable jack is ready. The jack and connectors are waterproof, and it has LED lights for use in the dark. The jack has an overload protection system that stops lifting when it reaches its maximum height or weight. The cross lines on the head improve friction for added safety. We stand behind our product with a money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a replacement or a solution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This electric jack is hydraulic-driven, providing powerful lifting capabilities. It also includes a tire inflator, eliminating the need for separate tools. If you frequently travel or need a reliable solution for various scenarios, this jack is a must-have. What people say. First off, this is a solid jack. Works as it is supposed to. This lifted both vehicles off the ground to be able to replace a wheel. Number 2. BEETRO 5-ton electric car jack kit. This kit is more than just a car jack. It also functions as a tire inflator, LED work light, and warning light. It even comes with an electric wrench to make changing tires easier. With a 5-ton capacity and a lifting range from 6 to 17.7 inches, this jack is suitable for most vehicles. It's powered by your car's cigarette lighter or battery, making it convenient to use. Forget about manual jacks. This electric jack lifts your car with the push of a button, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for anyone, especially women and older drivers. The jack automatically stops when it reaches its height limit or is overloaded. Its self-locking structure prevents sudden drops, ensuring the safety of both your car and yourself. Everything stores neatly in a durable case, which also serves as a warning sign. Whether you're at home, on a road trip, or facing an emergency, this kit is an essential helper. What we like. This kit offers a 4-in-1 function, including a jack, inflator, LED light, and electric wrench. It is designed to fit most vehicles and saves you time and effort with its easy-to-use features. If you are a car owner, especially women and older drivers, this is a great choice. What people say. Compact enough to keep in your car and not be in the way. The jack and drill make changing the tire even easier. It typically takes me 15 minutes using standard equipment. I did this in 10. Number 1. Electric car jack 5-ton 12V with tire pump. Dealing with a flat tire can be a hassle, but not anymore. This electric car jack makes the process incredibly simple. It lifts your car in about a minute, allowing you to change the tire with ease. This jack isn't just for lifting, it also has a built-in inflator. It can inflate your tire in just 2 minutes, getting you back on the road quickly. It's a convenient feature for any roadside emergency. Designed for both sedans and SUVs, this jack can handle vehicles under 5 tons. You can power it through your car's cigarette lighter or directly from the battery. It's a must-have tool for any car owner. Safety is a top priority. The jack automatically stops when it reaches its maximum height. Its self-locking structure prevents sudden drops, ensuring the safety of both your car and yourself. There's also a built-in circuit breaker for overload protection. The included toolbox keeps everything organized. Each part has its own spot, and the case is designed to be compact and space-saving. The red triangle on the outside serves as a warning sign, making it a complete roadside solution. This electric car jack is an essential tool for any vehicle. It's perfect for long trips or when you're far from a repair shop. It eliminates the need for manual labor, making tire changes easy for anyone. What we like. This electric jack is a great choice for sedans and SUVs, and it comes with a built-in inflator pump. It also has a safety guarantee to ensure your safety. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use jack for your car, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect size and weight for mobility, this jack is powerful and convenient when needed. Good product, easy to use, compact size. Very good and easy to use, especially for older peoples and young and old ladies. Easy to use, very handy. Good safety and emergency kit. I will recommend other people to buy this product for their loved one and their self, and tell others Happy New Year's to all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.